Most Americans believe saving $500 in a single month is impossible. But what if I told you it's actually easier than you think? Without changing your lifestyle or working extra hours. Rent, groceries, gas, subscriptions. Money disappears faster than we realize. The real problem isn't how much you earn. It's the small money leaks we don't even notice. The first step is simple. Call your phone, internet, and insurance providers. Ask if there are any discounts or new promotions available. Many Americans save $50 to $100 just by making one phone call. Next, cancel subscriptions you don't actually use. Streaming services, apps, memberships. If you're not using it every week, cut it. This alone can save around $50 every month. Eating out drains your money faster than you think. Cooking at home just 4 extra days a week can save over $100 a month. Without giving up good food, switch to store brands whenever possible. Same quality, lower price. Groceries and household items alone can save $50 to $80 each month. Before shopping online, use cashback apps. You're already spending the money, so why not get some of it back? This is easy money most people completely ignore. Here's another powerful move most people skip. Review your bank statements from the last 30 days. Look for small charges you forgot about. Catching just 2 or 3 unnecessary expenses can free up more cash than you expect. Finally, set up automatic saving. Move money into your savings account the moment you get paid. This is how real saving habits are built. When you combine these steps, saving $500 in 1 month becomes realistic. If this video helped you, subscribe for simple money tips that actually work.